Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siciliani Ajia Asyari. Now I'm going to present my proposal. The proposal is about the relationship between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, risk-taking propensity, and entrepreneurial intentions among college students of Faculty Economics, State University of Jakarta. Bab 1. Preliminary. Background. The lack of employment issues is still an interesting topic that leads to high level of unemployment in Indonesia. If this is not resolved quickly, the number of unemployment will continue to rise. In Indonesia, according to Badan Pusat Statistik (BPS), the number of people who are unemployment is increasing by 50,000 per August 2019. Research questions: is the relationship between emotional intelligence and entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University 2016 until 2017? Is there a relationship between self-efficacy and entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University 2016 until 2017? Is there a relationship between risk-taking propensity with entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University 2016 until 2017? Is there a relationship between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, risk-taking propensity with entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University 2016 until 2017? Research purpose. Number 1. The relationship between emotional intelligence and entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Number 2. The relationship between self-efficacy and entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Number 3. The relationship between risk-taking propensity with entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. And the last, the relationship between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, risk-taking propensity with entrepreneurial intention in the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. The novelty of research. Research conduct this study to measure the relationship between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, risk-taking propensity with entrepreneurial intentions. The current study, the research used the object of research of the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University class of 2016 and 2017. And the research method used by researchers was a descriptive method with a quantitative approach, where the results of the questionnaire or survey were used to process data. Back to literature review. Background theory, variable Y, entrepreneurial intentions, Katz and Gardner theory. The intention of entrepreneurs is the process of finding information that can be used to achieve a business permission goal. Thompson theory. Thompson argued the entrepreneurial intention as a self-confidence are recognized by individuals who intend to establish a new business venture and consequently plan to do so in the future. Tubbs theory. Entrepreneurial intention is a preparation of an action that has been planned to perform or bring up entrepreneurial behavior. Entrepreneurial intention are individual cognitive behavior that emerge as sincerity of intention or self-confidence to perform or bring up an entrepreneurial behavior as a form of information-seeking process that can be used in building new business independently. Variable X1, emotional intelligence, Salovey and Meyer theory. Emotional intelligence defined as a form of intelligence that involves the ability to monitor one's own and other feeling and emotion, to discriminate among them and use this information to guide one's thinking and action. Goldman theory. Emotional intelligence is the ability to control one's emotion and manage own feeling, which need to be guided in a stable and effective way in order to cooperate with others members of a group in achieving mutual objective. Shapiro theory. A person's ability to monitor one's own feeling and the feelings of others and use information to direct thought and action. Emotional intelligence is a person's ability that can be learned and developed in directing thoughts and action to recognize one's own emotion and other empathy, control one's emotion, manage one's own feeling and those of others so as to help one's emotional and intellectual development. Variable X2, self-efficacy. Leuven and Skapik theory. Self-efficacy refers to an individual's conviction or confidence about his or her abilities to mobilize to motivation, cognitive research, and course of action needed to successfully execute a specific task within a given context. Kreitner and Knicky theory. Self-efficacy is a belief in one's own ability to deal with a solved problem effectively. Owensel theory. Self-efficacy or habitual self-confidence can be obtained, chance or derived through one or a combination of four sorts, namely the experience of mastering something, achievement, performance, accomplishment, vicarious experience, social persuasion, and generation emotion. Self-efficacy is one belief in one's own ability to regulate and take the actions needed in completing a particular job or task to achieve a predetermined performance. Variable 3. Variable X3, risk-taking propensity, Kahneman and Tversky theory. Risk-taking is asymmetric about a reference point, and the people will be risk-averse when they perceive themselves to be in the domain of gain and risk-taking in the domain of loss. Roth and Fresh and Zitkin and Wenger. Risk-taking propensity is one of several specific enduring personality characteristic traits and can be defined to be a accomplishment of any circumstance or an inclination to take or avoid risk. Hersky and Tournament and Quibb and Ferrell theory. Risk-taking, one of the first entrepreneurial characteristics to be identified, refers to the absence of risk in any activity with a less than 100% possibility of success. Risk-taking propensity is one of the characteristics of an entrepreneur in taking or avoiding risk, where someone will avoid risk when feeling in a favorable condition and vice versa. We'll look for risk when feeling in an adverse state. Theoretical and hypothesis. For theoretical and hypothesis, you can see in this slide presentations, research year, journal, and title. Theoretical and hypothesis. Individuals with high emotional intelligence don't let their emotion detract them from their intent to start a business. Instead, these skills instill confidence and increase the likelihood of moving forward. Self-efficacy appears positive correlations with entrepreneurial intentions, positive effect of confidence in research and capability required for creating new career on entrepreneurial intention. Lutke and Frank said that risk-taking propensity as part of the personality of new entrepreneurial influence and individual decision to create a new self-owned venture. Bab 3. Research methodology. Place and time of research. Research conduct this research at the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University, who is located at Rawamangun Street, East Jakarta. This research was carried out for 2 months, starting from May 2020 to June 2020. Research approach method. This type of quantitative research used by researchers in correlational quantitative research, that is a study used to determine the relationship and the level of relationship between two or more variables without any effort to influence these variables so that they are no variable manipulated. Population and sampling. The population in this study were 809 students of the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. For sample, Weir, Kretz, and Morgan table. Instrument preparation, entrepreneurial intentions. Conceptual definition. Individual cognitive behavior that arises as a serious intention or self-confidence to perform or bring up an entrepreneurial behavior as a form of information-seeking process that can be used in building a new business independently. Operational definition. Intention of entrepreneurship is the intention or belief of individual in building new business. For instrument preparation, you can see this on my slide presentation, instrument grills, and TC-KC. Variable X1, emotional intelligence. Conceptual definition. Emotional intelligence is a person's ability that can be learned and developed in directing thoughts and action to recognize one's own emotion and other people, empathy, or control one's emotion, manage one's own feeling and those of others so as to have one's emotional intellectual development. Operational definition. Emotional intelligence is a person's ability to process emotions. To instrument preparation variable X1 emotional intelligence, you can look and see in my slide presentations. Instrument preparation variable X2 self-efficacy. Conceptual definition. Self-efficacy is one belief in one's own ability to organize and perform the actions needed in completing a particular job or task to achieve a predetermined performance. Operational definition. Self-efficacy is a form of one's belief in its abilities. Instrument preparation. The instrument of measuring the stability variable was adapted from previous study Yao, Bayu and Jaya, and from Van Hover. The Cronbach's alpha values of the instrument used in previous study were 0,913, 0,698, dan 0,859. Instrument preparation variable X3 risk-taking propensity. Conceptual definition. Risk-taking propensity is one of the characteristics of an entrepreneur in taking or avoiding risks, where someone will avoid risk when feeling a favorable condition and vice versa will look for risk and feeling in an adverse states. Operational definitions. Risk-taking propensity is a person's tendency to take risks or avoid risks. Risk-taking propensity are the tendency to take risks using primary data. Instrument preparations variable X3 risk-taking propensity instrument GRIOS. Instrument to measure the risk tendency variable we adapted for previous studies Holthausen and Naido, Elmecke, Weber and Weber, Strike and Telser. Cronbach alpha values of the instrument used in previous study were 0,85, 0,708, and 0,779. The measurement scale used a Likert scale. Data analysis technique. Data analysis technique used by researchers in this study used the PLS Square PLS approach with Smart PLS software version 3 as expert. Chin and Newstead said that this PLS can be used to explain the presence or absence of relationship between latent variable and can be used to confirm theories. Thank you for your attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.